Okay guys, so you're welcome to today's training to KCWEB Tech Center, and on today's training we shall be looking at how to send spoof WhatsApp SMS. Okay, and this tool which we shall be using is what spamware. Okay, it appears to be a WhatsApp automation and bulk messaging tool. Such platforms are typically used, such tools, they're typically used to send WhatsApp message to many contacts at once, and also automate marketing campaigns and customer follow-up. These are tools that most of the hackers they use to spam people on their WhatsApp, and also a legitimate company also use this tool to send messages as a campaign in their company. So we shall be looking at this tool and see how these hackers and legitimate companies are using this tool to send a campaign message. Also, this tool personalize WhatsApp messages with customer names and their other details. It schedule message delivery. Okay, this tool can schedule message delivery. We shall be saying that it also track message delivery and response. So guys, we shall be looking out on this tool, how it is being used, and how hackers and legit companies also use this for their campaigns. So we'll be going to our browser, and this is the very tool spamware, and this is the short code, and the process on which this can be installed is this. Okay, this is just as easy as another thing. So we shall be looking at diving to our terminal and see how this can be done. You can see this is just the requirements, the readme spam spy, that is the soft file. So let's go to our terminal. Okay, first and foremost, when you get to your terminal, what you do, you make sure you update your system. Sudo app updates, update your system, then put your password. So it has been updated. So once that have been updated, so you come to our sudo app install, then python 3/pip. Oh, what did I spell? Oh, my install is wrong. Sudo app install. Sorry for that, my install is wrong. Python 3/pip. Okay, so that is done, and the next thing for us to do is to clone that source code. Okay, we want to clone that source code. Remember, this is it. Install Python, which you just did, then install the GitHub, and okay. So before we install the GitHub, first and foremost, what we will do is the Python with the request. We have to install the request, that is the requirements. Then what we'll do is our Python 3/m, the pip, then install request. Okay, so we go to copy this git clone, copy it, then come to our terminal. Then we have our git clone, then paste what you copy, then take your enter. Further part will already exist. Okay, it already exists in my system, and once you are doing yours will just install, because already exists in my system. So since already exists, I'll just do my ls. So this is the file, this is spamware. Okay guys, this is spamware. Okay, so next thing for us to do is to enter into that spamware cd, then spamware. So we are already inside the environment of spamware. We'll do our ls. So we'll see the readme file, the spy, and what we just do is come to our Python 3, then install the spam wire. But before that, what you do, CMOD, let's come to the environment. Okay, then enter your Python 3 spam.spy. Okay, this is spam SMS WhatsApp. Now we have a module, and in this module we shall be choosing if you are using all PhD, the Kitabisa. So there are a lot of the tools which we want to use, but we'll be using all. Let's go to all, take your enter, then you'll not be asking you is just a single number or multiple number, load number for file, or select number from contact. So let's say we are doing for a single number. Take one, enter, then you type the number there. I'll put in my number. Okay, take my enter, total spam. So the total spam which you want to put, let's put it 100, then delay, let's put it in 5, delay 5, like see. Okay, so after this everything will just go in over to that message campaign. So this is what they do to use this tool to in their campaign, or all these black hat hackers they use to hack people messages. They can use this tool to send an invalid link, and once you click that link, phishing, this is also called as phishing. They do all these generic phishing, and once you click that link, they're already getting access to your to your WhatsApp. While some legit company use this tool for their campaign in their businesses or so ever. So guys, so this is how this tool is being used. This is how messages is being sent into their WhatsApp. So thank you guys for staying tuned, and please, if you find this interesting, make sure you are following us in our YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button and share this video for other persons to also gain insights in this tutorial. So thank you guys for staying tuned. KCWEB Tech Center, always giving you nothing but the best of it all. Thank you guys.